Hello all, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you for this 2016 Toyota Avalon 77,406 kilometers, and the 24,888 plus HST and licensing is the price. Full safety certified. This is the model Touring. It comes with a sunroof, all power, windows, door locks, power seat, heated, and it has the big screen inside. Is black leather interior, very clean. If you want me to secure this vehicle, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you for contacting us.